Hi there. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of the new feature that is being released on Serv B2b Marketplace. This is one of the features I know it was requested a lot by our sales providers that they should be able to have credits on their account so that whenever they are matched with any new list, they don't have to add their banking details. They can just use the credits that they have. And now Serv it has released that feature, and I'm going to show you how you can, start using credits, and it's so easy. Now, first thing first, now, right? What you need to do, you need to deposit an amount of money that you'd like to show as credit on your platform. And how you can start with this, you can email to support, right? Support serve at smsouthafrica.co.za to request the banking details, and they'll send the banking details. Sent from them, after you deposit the amount, you send a proof of payment to the same email address. Now, after you send them the proof of payment, they're gonna add the funds or the credits from the admin side. And once they've added the credit from the admin side, you're gonna need to go to billing information just under account, and from here it should take you to a dashboard where you should be able to see credits that are available on your account. And as you can see here on this account of Ethnic Africa, there is available credits of 1470, which can be used to purchase leads or even to upgrade membership plan. A good thing about this feature, it can be used whether you are assigned under basic membership, standard membership, or premium membership, and you can get started today now by following the steps that I just shared with you now. Otherwise, if you have any questions, please make sure that you email to support at serve at sme south africa.co.za. Thank you.